Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're upgrading this Mark 7.5 Golf R with a Milltek race system with the Cerakote black tips. Now this is the 80mm system, so it's a little bit louder than the regular 76mm systems. So we should get a real nice difference before and after on this car. Obviously like we usually do, but just a little bit extra because the customer wanted a little bit more sound. And this is actually the first one we're going to be installing, so we're looking forward to hearing it in person. And yeah, so this is what the exhaust system sounds like now. And then we'll proceed with the install and then show you what it sounds like at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we'd really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.